Hey guys, so here's another simple airdrop that you have to start farming. They have a good funding, and it's called the KGEN. And also for those that miss out on KGEN Airdrop, it's an exchange airdrop. Now you have the opportunity to also farm this cube exchange airdrop. What you need to do here, you're not farming any tax, you're not farming any points. What you need to do here basically is to sign up. If the link to sign up is not opening, just make use of a VPN. Use a VPN to sign up if the link is not opening. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. Once you use a VPN, you'll be able to sign up using your Google account, and that's it. After you've signed up, complete the liveness KYC. That is, you have to complete something like facial verification, then add your documents. You select your country of the country where you are holding documents, add the documents, and that's all. That's the KYC. It just take like 2 minutes and you are done. So after that, there is no point to farm here. What you need to do is to use the exchange. A lot of people miss on KGEN because the farming procedure was not really explained, and that is why I am explaining this cube exchange. So you should hold some balance if you are not trading in the sense that buying or selling any token here. That's how to generate points. So if you cannot trade, just hold balance on the exchange after you've completed your KYC, which is the liveness check. So the moment you are signing up, after sign up, they are bringing out the KYC, the liveness KYC. Immediately you see the liveness check. Immediately, you are not clicking on any part to go and check where you do the liveness check. It will pop up immediately for you to complete the facial tax. Then after doing that, just hold balance on the exchange, or you trade, buying or sell, spot trading. So that's basically how to earn on this cube exchange. They have good funding, $21 million. So that's their funding as at now, as at the time of making this video. So it's the same as KGEN. So make sure you are not fading. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. So now to move on to the next airdrop, which is this KGEN. What you need to do here basically is to sign up. Check the registration link for this in the description box of this video as well. Then come to this profile. You can do this on your phone. So you can sign up on this on your phone. So come to this profile, this human icon, then click on profile. Then you are seeing connect social accounts. This connect accounts. You connect your X, you connect Discord, you connect Telegram, you connect Google, you connect wallet, your EVM wallet. Then you connect your Steam if you have it. So I connect the one I can connect, and of course, mandatorily, you have to connect your wallet. So after you must have connected your wallet, so on this home page, you are seeing the campaign that are currently ongoing. You are seeing this campaign that are currently ongoing. Download KGEN app, POG meme quest, but the featured campaign, the main one, are this social check-in in February, do part 2, mighty action heroes. These are the current ongoing ones. You can see I've done this. I'm currently on this 2/20. I've done 2 out of these 20 tasks. And for this social check-in February, when you click on it, so when you click on that social check-in February, that's the first campaign that you have to complete, so that you can verify the socials that you've connected and you can earn from it. So the social tag, the first task you have to do if you're just signing up on this KGEN, is to come to this social check-in February. You are seeing in progress and is ending in 18 days. So in this social check-in tax, you will be able to verify the tax that you see connect X. All the accounts that you connected, just come here to verify them and earn points. That's what you do basically on this social February tax. And most importantly too, you earn you see, add your friends slash clean shifts referral code 50k points. So take note, this is where you add the referral code for you to earn the 50k points. So on this social February tax is where you are going to earn for connecting your accounts, adding referral code, and doing social tax. So come to this add your friends shift referral code. Enter the referral code you'll be seeing in the description box of this video. Enter the code and click on verify. Then you earn 50k points. As you can see, these are the tax that I've done so far and it has been verified. You can see add KGEN to your X. As I said earlier, these are just social tax. So I still have one to do. These are the one I'm here to complete. Follow KGEN Elder, connect team, download KGEN app. All of these are the ones that I have to complete on this social February tax. So it's as simple as that. You don't have much to do here than to look for the latest campaign from this home page here. You'll be able to see campaign latest even after this social checking. You'll be able to see latest campaign. Just continue with it, and most of their campaign, they are social tasks. So it's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less. So this is how to do tax on this KGEN Airdrop and how to stay positioned for this Cube Exchange Airdrop. Check the registration link and the code in the description box of this video. Sign up and complete the liveness check. Use the referral code for this KGEN so that you can earn extra task. So this is the basic updates and the basic tasks you have to do on these two major airdrop. As usual, make sure your notification is turned on my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my updates back to back. Also make sure you join my Telegram community and you be notified of every of my updates. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pinned post in the comment section or the description box of this video. Stay positioned. Make sure you have completed every of your bookmark. Some of you just bookmark airdrop tax. You've not started farming it. This is a reminder that you should go back to your bookmark and start farming. Start farming. You don't earn money from bookmarking. You earn from farming. So start farming. Be active so you don't miss out on your reward. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one and bye for now.